Hello friends, this is the ISUZU T30 off-road 4x4 pickup fire truck, which is equipped with 600 liters water and 200 liters foam, matched with independent fire pump and the PS20 fire monitor. Also 15 meters hose reel and gun. Firstly, we'll introduce the independent fire pump. Model LF188F GX390. Special notice at below. SEA 30 model oil with capacity 1 liters. SEA model lubrication oil with 0.1 liters. How to start the fire pump? Firstly, gasoline valve right side keep open. Secondly, left side open the air inlet valve. Thirdly, right side close the accelerator. Fourthly, turn right the key to ignition on, or turn on the key to middle, and pull out the cable to ignition on. Fifth, after ignition on, slowly left side adjust the accelerator. Sixthly, right side close the air inlet valve. Seventhly, turn left the key to ignition off after use. ISUZU pickup fire truck pumping process. Firstly, collect the suction pipeline and the other side into water. Secondly, close all outlet valve and foam valves. Thirdly, start the fire pump. Fourthly, close the fire pump valve initially. Fifthly, pull out the vacuum suction valve. Sixthly, checking vacuum gauge point minus 0.055 MPa. Seventhly, waiting until water sucked into fire pump. Eighthly, release the vacuum valve and open pump valve. 9. Open inlet valve. 10. Then water can sucked into tanker. ISUZU pickup fire truck pump out process with water and foam inside tank. Open these 3 valves to make foam jetting together. Not open these valves for water jetting only. Customize the pH 64 for different foam ratio. Only open outlet valve and pump valve. Optional to use top fire monitor. Open the valve and start fire pump. Optional to use 2-side pipeline and gun. Open the valve and start fire pump. Optional to use hose reel and gun. ISUZU pickup fire truck pump out process with water and foam outside tank. Repeat pump in process 1 to 8. Not open any valve. Control fire monitor for jetting. Control hose reel and gun for jetting. Feel free to contact with us for more details. Email info@isuzutruckcn.com.